Meese, the president of the New Jersey Wireless Association, and today I'm with Ed Gomez. Ed is with inRange Solutions, Azimuth Engineering. Ed, tell us a little bit about your company.
Sure. My name is Ed Gomez. I am actually the co-founder, partner, and I serve as the COO of both inRange Solutions and Azimuth Engineering. We started inRange Solutions about almost 15, 16 years ago, primarily as a site development, site acquisition only company. From that point on, it probably took us another 6 or 7 years thereafter to bring on construction management as part of services that our primary customer, T-Mobile, wanted us to fulfill as a service. And then about at this point, 7 years ago, we brought on the A&E services, which is now Azimuth Engineering, to provide additional support for our customers. But we started inRange, just myself and my partner Steve Liebezeit. We took over or worked on the ALU Sprint Network Vision project, and that was roughly assigned to us 900 or so sites. Outside of the site acquisition, we do construction management services, DAS services, and especially on the engineering side, where our engineers can actually do a lot more than just designing a tower or antenna sled model. They actually are doing very, very interesting work. A lot of EV charging projects have been awarded to us. We just finished down in Miami, the MSC Cruise Terminal Port, which is now the largest cruise terminal port in the world.
You've been actively involved in all of the Wireless Association events. You've been a board member. How has that impacted your business and your relationship with others?
Oh, listen, I've been part of the New Jersey Wireless Association, merely as a member for the better part of my entire career, close to 24 years or so. I've been a board member of the association for, I think I'm going around 12 years now or so and counting, which has been fantastic. Just being around the board, just being associated with the board as a yearly sponsor for the better part of over 10 years at this point, I think. Our name and recognition, our logo, a lot of folks, know us because we're part of the association, because we're out there with the association on all the major events. It's important for us to also talk to our peers and our quote unquote competitors. We don't really see them as competitors because we're all friends with each other. It's a very small industry, but it allows us to understand like where the market is, where it's going, where are the price points, what are your hiccups, what are your issues in doing some of this work, because we might have had that or we may not have even thought about those things.
And do you have any advice for other companies that are thinking about being sponsors or members of the association?
The amount of attention and social media and just marketing blasts that the NJWA does almost on a very standard basis, ongoing, with your company's name, your logos everywhere. We're doing a lot of different things in terms of sponsorship spotlights, a different blast about each company and their ability and their services. It will open the doors for those companies.
I've reached out to you repeatedly for different tasks, and you've never said no. You've always said, sure, let's do it. And you've always been very successful in doing that. So my personal thanks for everything you've done for the association. And also just thank you for being who you are, a good friend and a great business person, and certainly a leader in the industry. And wish you much success.